Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix latency variation on Rocket League. If you are playing Rocket League, side swipe on your phone and you keep seeing latency variation, lag or sudden freeze, don't worry. In this video, I will show you the simple way to fix it. First, let's talk about what latency variation means. It is when your internet connection isn't stable. Even if your Wi-Fi looks strong, some small drops can cause lag, delay control, or rubber banding in math. For the best result, use strong Wi-Fi, not weak public Wi-Fi. If you are on cellular data, make sure you have a good signal. Trying switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one performs better. You can also turn on airplane mode and then turn it off. This reset your iPhone network connection and can instantly fix connection issues. Swipe up and close the app running in the background. App streaming video or downloading updates can still internet speed and cause lag. You can fully close Rocket League, side swipe and reopen it. This refreshes the connection to the game server. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.